Minasyaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, our YouTube family. It depends where you are. For us, we are here in Uganda, East Africa, Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Dear viewers and our returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for supporting Yasmin's family. We don't take it for granted. We are so grateful. Dear viewers, today in Yasmin's kitchen, we are going to use our coffee maker to prepare our easy or simple breakfast. We have here, this is cinnamon, sugar, wheat flour. We have Nescafe coffee, salt, eggs, oatmeal, egg, onion, baking powder. So watch the video from the beginning up to the end. We are going to prepare a simple breakfast. We are going to add in, these are our eggs. Yes, we are going to add in a little like that. We are going to add in sugar and cinnamon. Add in a little Prestige margarine. You can use Blueband and whatever you want. Baking powder, we are done with that. So dear viewers, this is our simple breakfast. As you see, this is a cup of water, this is Nescafe, this is our eggs, and this is our cake. So now we are going to put all in our coffee maker. This is our tray. We use this tray in our coffee maker. This, we are going to use this tray. Dear viewers, this is our cake. This tray to fry our egg. So dear viewers, these are our eggs. So dear viewers, this is our cake, our eggs, Nescafe, and our cup of water. Kindly watch the video from the beginning up to the end. This is our coffee. Dear viewers, this is our coffee maker. Now we are going to start cooking our breakfast. We are going to put our eggs here. Our cake. Now, this is our cup of water. Our Nescafe. So this is our cup of coffee. We have our eggs here. We have our eggs here and our cake. Okay. Let us start cooking. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Come in our jug, as you see. Our dear viewers, we are still cooking our cakes there, our eggs, our coffee. This is our egg. This is our egg. Breakfast is ready, as you see. This is our coffee maker. This is our jug we used to cook our tea here. Now our tea is ready. Dear viewers, thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting Yasmin's family. We are so grateful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.